Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new Gmail account. So whether you just bought a new phone, need a fresh email for work, or simply want another account, this guide will help you set up Gmail quickly. So step 1, you can just open Gmail, a sign up page. You can open your browser or Gmail app if you are on your phone. Here, since I already are on my browser, I'm going to just click on this my profile in here and tap on add account. And here you can see there will be these options to create account. Click on that and choose the purpose. So I'm going to just go with for my personal use. Then you can just fill in your details. So enter your first and last name. I'm going to just go with here, click on next, and then enter your birthday in here. And choose your gender. Click on next again, and in here you can choose the email address from here, or you can also create your own by clicking on this option. And if the one you type is already taken, you can just try adding numbers or of variations until it's available. And after these steps right here, you can tap on next again, and here you need to create your password. So create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and also symbols to keep your account secure. And after that, you can just add your phone number for recovery, accept the terms and conditions, and that's it. Your brand new Gmail account is ready. And that's how you can create a Gmail account step by step. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.